na siya. Wala na. Sepangs malala.
Oh.
Bayan. Lahat sila. Nasa Batangas. Ganap na ganap. Ayoko na, padre. Ayoko na. Chismis, batay. Pakialaman natin ang... Do you know how to play that? I don't know how.
No.
It's like a... Buhay ng iba. Faithless na lang. Venite adoremu. John. Pina-follow na ba kita? Hindi pa ata. Pina-follow na ba kita? How can I go to your account? I'll go later.
Hey, wait lang.
Alright.
Yeah, hold up.
What fell? Hindi kita stay, you say. Grabe, ang tayo-tayo ng buhok. Parang galing outer space. Only here what? My universe or your universe? Mine or yours? Iniwan ka na ng eroplano. Okay lang, baby. But I'm sorry. Pretty so much. Ito lang yun, guys. Ito na yun, no? Ito na yun. Ito na yan. Ito na yun, no? Katidal, oh. Bare tint, oh. Ito na yun, no? Gandang lip tint, oh. Your universe. Actually, mag-11 naman na. So, nag-high lang kami dito, pero hindi naman din kami magtatagal. What are your plans this summer? I already went on vacation, Holy Week, so I think kota na yun. Kota na ang bakasyon. Bahala na. Kahit walang sabihin, maririnig ang damdamin. Naghihimagsik ang dugo at lamban sa ilalim ng buwan. See you sa PBB bukas. Yes! I shall return tomorrow. Live po tayo tomorrow sa PBB. Yun lang, magbababay na rin ako. O kay bilis namang maglaho na pag-ibig mo, sinta. Kani-kanina lang. Huwag mo pa uuuhin si KD. That's not really my decision though. I am not his wife. I am just a girl standing in front of a man asking him to love her. Are you okay?
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Nothing. You want to say goodbye?
Oh, goodbye? Okay.
Do you want?
If you want to say goodbye.
Maybe... Oh yeah, maybe let's... Oh wait, I want to eat chocolate.
Oh, okay. I want to eat chocolate too. Let's eat chocolate.
Dubai chocolate.
Dubai chocolate.
Okay guys, magmumukbang na tayo. Tama na what shop I got this from. Kasi yung iba, grabe magbenta nito. OA. You know, I was craving for this, so I inquired sa isang shop. She was like, 2.8 po. I was like,
Per,
the box or one bar?
One bar?
Crazy.
Baliw. Joke lang.
Grabe. But this one was, normal price.
Kung sino man yan, baliw.
I got my Dubai chocolate from here. Shop with A and D. I got my Dubai chocolate from them. ASMR. Okay. So here, muntik na kami mag-away dahil dito.
Tayo?
Oo.
Ah.
Muntik na kami mag-away dahil sa Dubai chocolate.
Because kasi guys, hindi ko siya kinakagat ng maayos.
Kasi, kita niya, pinuputol ko siya ng maganda per square. Sabi mo naman niya, needs to be eaten nicely, neatly, with a square, a perfect square.
Yan yung gusto niya. Yan yung susundan natin.
So, here's your chocolate, here's your square.
Ano yung gusto mas?
Then, we're gonna crack it again, a beautiful square. And if it's not a beautiful square, we will not eat it. Oh, it's not a beautiful.
Let's get a knife na lang kaya. Para
Yeah, I need a knife. No, it's not demure. I don't know why, but I don't know why. I don't like it when you just don't make it a square. Because, I mean, it has, what do you call it?
teach me, tell me where knives are.
Oh, I'll go get it. You can sit here. Bite it nicely.
But I can finish this one hole in one
Will
bite.
it kill you? Bite it.
Yeah, she's OC. Which I respect. We respect our OC. Cause,
Am I?
yeah, kinda.
I'm not diagnosed with OCD.
No, but I mean like it's not a diagnosis. It's like a trait of yours. But it's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with being OC.
You must make it nice square. There. Nice square.
Just eat that part that didn't get squared.
There. Nice square. Walang labis, walang kulang. Okay, let's eat
Yeah.
a toast.
A toast.
Oh, okay, we're doing that.
yeah.
Okay. One bite. Jesus.
Hindi ba dapat?
No naman, nagulat lang ako.
Okay.
Kanina kumain kami sa labas. Kakadating lang nung pagkain. And it was pho, so it was hot.
Mas malaki pa.
It was large. I took a bite, and I looked over. Ubus na. Ubus na. And I'm not even kidding you. I have a video to prove that. That was crazy. I was like,
Post mo sa TikTok.
are all boys like that? Like, damn.
That was so good. This is really good.
Okay, you can get another one, but cut it nice.
Okay.
Then you can get all the excess.
Yeah.
I could barely finish one square.
Guys, kung ako lang to, kung wala si Alexa, kakagatin ko to buo.
Ugh. Why? Murder. I have weird habits like that. Like, when I eat yogurt, I have to lick the spoon 3 times. Or else, I didn't eat it properly. Is that OC? Honest reviews of Dubai chocolates? Oh, I love it. I love it. You like it? I think you do because you're going to town.
Mm-mm.
Q&A, okay. Ask a question or something. Pahingi ear. I didn't like this at first aesthetically because it looks like baby poo.
Why do you say
In
that?
my
Don't say
opinion.
that.
In my opinion.
Okay.
But now I love it.
People might be eating kasi.
We're eating.
That's true.
Try nyo yung ibang flavor.
There are
No.
other flavors.
Yeah, a whole lot. But it's so expensive.
Magbigay ng mga halimbawa.
I don't remember them.
Okay.
But it's so expensive that I'm not gonna risk buying something I might not like, so I just buy the same flavor again and again and again. Can I
Tagating mo
borrow
buo.
KD for a second? Like, can you move aside? Sure.
No, she's getting me. I don't
Sure.
like.
No, just let, come on, just one.
She's getting me. She's
I'm
getting
sorry, he does not want to be borrowed.
kidding.
Like Biscoff. Oh, I love Biscoff. Like, love. I love Biscoff with yogurt.
Oh, I love Biscoff too.
I just don't like that it melts so quickly.
I love that it melts so quickly. It's so easy to eat. Yahoo! Thank you.
Ang sakit sa singaw ng chocolate. Oh.
Hinay-hinay lang.
Flex the bicep. Yeah, come on. Flex it. Show me, show me.
No.
No, flex it,
No.
come on.
No.
Guys, damot ni KD, no?
No.
Damot, no?
Oh, dito pa si Mama Poison.
Poison, I miss you. I miss you, Poison. Mami contour. Lumiit na yung mukha ko. Hindi na masyado kailangan ng madaming contour.
Kahit naman dati, di naman mo.
Hindi, dati kailangan talaga.
Hindi.
Dati kailangan putik nga ilagay eh.
Grabe naman.
I love the knafe.
Yan, tingnan mo, kailangan ng vitamin C. Vitamin C. That's why you should have finished your lemonade.
But I needed to pee so bad. And I didn't want to go to the bathroom. If I finished that, I don't like that. I'm full.
Yay!
If I finished that lemonade,
Mm.
I would have had to go to the bathroom right away.
Okay.
Those are our dilemmas in life. I don't like going to the bathroom.
I always tell her to drink more water. She doesn't
don't
drink
like.
water. She doesn't like.
Only if I'm at home. But if I'm outside, I don't like to pee outside.
Oh, what's your favorite trait of each other? Each other's favorite trait. Like my favorite trait of you, your favorite trait of me.
What's yours of me?
I like that.
I like to move it.
No, I love
You can
that.
eat some more if you like.
Really?
Yes, you can
I
have
can
the
eat
whole
more?
thing.
I can have the whole
As long as you
thing?
eat it nicely.
Wait, if I'm gonna have the whole thing, I
I
don't need
just
to
don't
eat.
like to see you bite.
Okay. I respect what
It's
you
like
want.
you're murdering the chocolate bar.
Okay.
It deserves to be eaten with etiquette.
Look
You're
at
seriously
this.
gonna finish that though?
I'm gonna.
No, I'm not judging you. I'm just asking. I'm just
Oh,
asking.
okay. I thought you were judging
No,
me.
I'm not. I mean, go ahead. Okay, beautifully.
I can just eat it.
Yeah,
like-
you can eat like that.
Yeah, let's go.
I have a growing boy. There's a growing boy. What's your favorite trait of me? That I give you food?
No, I love how
You're like a baby.
adventurous you are with food.
Oh, I said with life because that's not me.
No, I mean yeah, with food. Because I have someone to try new foods with.
Yeah, but they might think I'm so adventurous. Not that adventurous. Like, I don't eat exotic food, but I'm gonna brag a little bit, okay? I'm very proud to say that before KD met me, all he would eat panay pizza, just you know how
Basic.
picky eater eats, that they go to the same comfort food. And there's nothing bad about that, but it's just that I feel like he's missing out on so much more. With the appetite that he has, I feel like he could do so much better. So, he only eats pizza, only eats
Certain ulams.
fast food.
No naman.
No, like when you're out of the country, you don't explore, you just eat fast food.
Oh yeah. But like I don't want them to think that I'm like a toddler. No naman. Like my food choices are not toddler naman. I eat foods that are quite normal.
Okay, but since I came into his life, tell them.
Amazing.
Yes,
Life changing.
yes. He's
buy
now
chocolate.
a cultured foodie. He's now a cultured foodie, and he tries all the new things that I want him to try.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I love that because sabi ko nga sa kanya, I hate it when he doesn't eat. Like, it's so sad kapag yung kasama ko hindi kumakain. I can't. So I tell him, if you're gonna be on a diet all the time, I don't want to eat with you. I don't want to be with you if you're always hungry. But sometimes, sobra naman ang kain niya. Nakakagulat din.
I stopped dieting because it made me look a bit.
Why? You're never looking.
No, there was a time after PBB, like I got a bit like I had no I didn't have this yet.
Kasi you didn't work out pa.
Yeah, I wasn't working out, so kailangan pala I have to eat and work out. So.
My blush on, it's just this also. It's a lip and cheek. It's a lip and cheek tint. So yeah. What's my favorite trait of yours? Too many to mention. I like that he is always pro lady first. How do I explain that? Like,
Feminist?
yeah, you're a feminist, but kampe siya. I think kampe siya sa akin. I think, ano ba? I like that in his eyes, I am perfect. Ha ha ha. I can do no wrong. Just kidding. No, I like a lot of things. I like that he's not insecure. That's the number one. That's the best thing.
Anymore. I used to be really insecure. Now
You're insecure.
don't know if
Really? So what changed that? How did you become not insecure?
Wala, you have to accept that there are things that you can't control in life. Like, there are things that you can't control with your... No, don't. There might be chocolate in my mouth.
Easy. A little, just a little. Actually, we both need to wash our hands. You go wash your hands.
Yeah.
And then I'll go next. What I like about him is that he's not controlling at all. Because I will not be controlled by a man. You know? So he's not like that at all. I tell him, especially nowadays, kasi we have a new resolution, pero may gusto kaming gawin sa mga buhay namin ngayon. Especially me. So we've been introverts for the longest time. We've been in our own bubble for the longest time. No? We're so happy just being in each other's company or alone actually, individually. We thrive on our own as introverts do, you know? But we don't like going out. We just like kapag may event, kami yung unang uuwi. Kami yung hindi makikijoin masyado because again, introverts who just love to stay at home. But I don't know, parang sabi ko recently, why are we like this? Like, why don't we put ourselves out there some more? Especially me, because I'm 25. So I said, I don't want to have regrets later in life na I didn't go out. I didn't enjoy my youth. I didn't explore. I didn't put myself out there, you know. So yeah, so that's what we're doing now. Parang, yan, pag may nag-aya sa amin, sama na kami. We've been going out more with, not just the two of us, with our friends then. Recently, nag-cast party yung Liwanag sa Dilim and I partied. Like, I danced the night away.
Dance the night away!
Yeah, I was so happy. I really enjoyed it. I was like, oh my god, maybe I was missing out on this. I mean, I don't feel like I'm missing out when I'm with you, but like, as we grow up, as we grow older, diba, you want to have experienced those things. Yung mga things na mas madalang mo nang gagawin kapag tanda mo na talaga.
Yeah.
So, ang saya-saya ko. Nag-party talaga ako. As in, dance kami. All of that. Tapos, siya din. He goes out with his friends. Ganyan. I don't know what you do.
We just...
You do your boy things.
Yeah, we just play video games.
Yeah.